Sobra namang ginagalingan ng Prologue. Definitely a memorable date night. Hey friends, been so excited to try Prologue Define kasi sarap na sarap si John Choi and Jorel dito. So okay, let's go. Starting strong with their free bread. Best complimentary bread so far. Homemade and done perfectly. Now another best is this burrata salad. Burrata is top quality and goes so well with the mango and vanilla passion dressing. Our number one favorite and must order here. Now Lovey's other favorite is this mushroom cappuccino. It has a really nice deep mushroom flavor and may foie gras raviolis pa. For me, another favorite is this tarako spaghetti. Grabe yung seafood flavor and the textures from the nori rice cracker and ikura. This one right here, the Japanese A5 beef, is the most marbled beef we've ever had. But because it's super fatty, nakatatlong subo lang ata ako nito. The wasabi in the relish could be stronger to really cut through the fattiness. Good to try ito at least once. Even being our least favorite dish dito, we still really like this Tasmanian salmon. Lots of textures and more on the tangy side, perfect